Hi class students. In the last class we discussed the properties of rational numbers, that is especially closure property, associative property, commutative property, identity property and inverse property. These already just we learned. Now we have to discuss deeply the properties of what we discussed in the last class. The first one is closure property under addition. Under addition, let us see. The first one is set of natural number, the second one is set of whole numbers, third one is set of integers, the next one is set of rational numbers. So what is the closure property under addition? If a comma b are two rational numbers, the sum of them is another rational number, such one is said to be closure property under addition. Just we have to discuss the examples. 2 is a natural number, 3 is another natural number, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is also another natural number. So that natural numbers will satisfy closure property under addition. Now we have discussed about whole numbers. 15 is a whole number, 20 is also another whole number, the sum of them is 35, 35 is also another whole number. So whole numbers are also satisfy the closure property under addition. Now set of integers, I have to took minus 21 plus minus 30. Minus 21 is one integer, minus 30 is also another integer, the sum of them is minus 51 is also an integer. So the sum of two integers is also an integer. This is closure property under addition. So next one is rational numbers. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q. So 1 by 2 I took, another rational number is 3 by 4. The sum of them is, take LCM here, the LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. 2 divides 4 2 times, 2 1 is 2. 4 dividing 4 one time, 1 3 is 3. So that is 5 by 4. So the sum of two rational numbers will form another rational number. Another hand, I have to took 0.45, 2.76. Just add the both numbers. This is the decimal form of rational number. This is second decimal form of rational number. The sum of them is 5 plus 6, 11. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 4, 12 and it is 3, 3.21. The sum of two decimals, another decimal. So this is also rational numbers will satisfy closure property under addition. So finally the conclusion is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers will satisfy the closure property under addition. Now we are discussing about closure property under subtraction. Same difference. It is only differ by only sign negative. So if a minus b is equal to c, a is a number, b is number, the difference of them is another number. Such one is said to be closure property under subtraction. Okay, let us see these examples. Here 2 is a natural number, 3 is a natural number. 2 minus 3, you get minus 1. In this example, closure property not satisfy the closure, natural numbers will not satisfy the closure property under subtraction. In some another case, 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is equal to how much? 8. In this case, natural numbers satisfy the closure property under subtraction, but in the another first case it is not satisfied. When we set a property, because in some cases it is true, some cases it is false, finally closure property is not satisfied. ఒక కేసులో ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది, ఒక కేసులో ట్రూ వస్తుందండి. కాబట్టి అన్ని కేసుల్లో కూడా అది ట్రూ వస్తేనే దాని ప్రాపర్టీ అంటాం. కాబట్టి natural numbers will not satisfy the closure property under subtraction. Then go to the whole numbers. 5 is 15 is one whole number, 20 is another whole number, the difference of them is 15 minus 20, that is minus 5. But minus 5 does not belongs to set of whole numbers. Whole numbers are started from where onwards? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that finally minus 5 does not belongs to set of whole numbers. So that whole numbers will not satisfy the closure property under subtraction. Another example we have to take, that is 31 minus 20. Answer is 11. 31 whole number, 20 is also whole number, 31 minus 20 is 11. In this case, it is closed. Whole numbers will satisfy closure property. But here, in this case, whole numbers will not satisfy. Finally, the total result is whole numbers will not satisfy the closure property under subtraction. Now, we are going to discuss about integers. Minus 21 is integer. Minus 30 is also integer. The difference of them, how much will come? Minus 21 plus 30. It is 9. Minus 21 is integer, minus 30 is also integer. The difference of two integers is another integer. So, integers will satisfy in this case. Take another one also, no problem. 51 minus 80. The answer is minus 29. 51 is integer, 80 is also integer. Answer minus 29, it is also integer. Finally, integers will satisfy the closure property under subtraction. Now we are going to discuss rational numbers. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Let us take the LCM for this one. You get the LCM is 4. 2 dividing 4 2 times. 2 1 is 2. 4 dividing 4 1 time, 1 3 is 3. So the answer is minus 1 by 4. It is also a rational numbers. So finally, what are not satisfy the closure property under subtraction? Natural numbers, whole numbers are not satisfy the closure property under subtraction, while integers and rational numbers will satisfy the closure property under subtraction. Let us go through the next one for closure property under multiplication. So, multiplication means A into B equal to C. Go through the examples. How we have to satisfy the property or not, what I am check. 3 is a natural number, 4 is another natural number. The product of them is 12. So, the product of two natural numbers is another natural number. Closure, therefore, natural numbers will satisfy the closure property under multiplication. In the similar manner, 15 into 20, 300. 15 is another whole number, one whole number, 20 is another whole number. The product of them is 300. 300 is also a whole number. So take integers. Minus 5 one integer, 6 is another integer. Minus 5 into 60, minus 30. 30 also belongs to set of integers. Next, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Multiply this one, 1 into 3, 3. 2 4s are 8. This is one rational number, 3 by 4 is another rational number. The product is also a rational number. Clearly, here natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers will satisfy the closure property under multiplication. Now we are going to discuss closure property under division. How like we have to say this one? A divided by B equal to C. This is closure property under division. One time see this ones. Examples. How like you get it this ones? 3 is a natural number, 4 is another natural number. The division of them is 3 by 4. Is it a natural number? Clearly, the RHS does not belong to set of natural numbers, so that natural numbers will not satisfy the closure property under division. Next, whole numbers are also the same pattern. 13 divided by 2. The answer is 13 by 2. 13 by 2 does not belongs to set of whole numbers. So whole numbers will not satisfy the closure property under division. My integers ma, minus 5 is an integer divided by 6. Totally the answer is minus 5 by 6. But minus 5 by 6 does not belongs to set of integers. Minus 5 by 6 belongs to set of rational numbers. This is one rational, this is another rational. The division of them is, how much will come? 1 by 2 into 4 by 3. You get 2 ones, 2 twos. Totally 2 by 3. This is a rational number. So finally, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers will not satisfy the closure property under division, while rational numbers are only satisfy the closure property under division. So read these properties thoroughly and do the work in page number, I think it is in page number 6 in your textbook. All of you try this and do these problems. Okay children, today these are the works and posted in our WhatsApp group. Bye children.